Hi guys, it's early here and I wanna shout out everyone! Hi to my vlog! uh, Nagwo-walking ako guys all the way sa work, and while I have to feel a moment na I'm walking on a white pathway. So ito na. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for all everyone. It's January, year 2021. So new life, new beginning. And thank you for your support, and hopefully this year you still continue supporting my channel, my vlogs, all my vlogs. And how to show you. Ito lang, this is just only a short vlog, and then work nuggets. This one, it's white. Guys, it's snowing. Ayan, oh, it's really white na siya. White overall. So on my way, punta ko sa on my way ako sa school. Ito na, punta tayo. This is actually, it's a shortcut ito siya kasi ayaw kong umikot ng malaking ano siya. Gusto ko lang pumunta sa shortcut area where a lot of trees, kasi fresh yung simoy ng hangin, and it's maputi. Diba? Ano, gawa tayo ng ice candy or mais con yellow. Remember my previous vlog? They have a sort out the garbage. We have it here everywhere siya. Some places they just put it outside, and then walang house, because that's normally in the city area where they don't actually have a house to sort their basura. Here it is just a stand outside the door. So ito na, and enjoy the moment. Actually, yung shoes ko is mali siya for this weather. Mali yung shoes ko, because I thought yung sa amin is wala kasing snow. So the more you are in the other part of Stockholm, the more snow, the more snow. Yeah. And then we have different degrees, coldness of the place. So it depends on this area where I work with is nearby to the water, so it's cooler here. So that is why the road it's covered with snow. And then we have even in Stockholm, even in the city area, we still have a lot of trees, because our common, like municipal, they call it common, is we have a party, they call it Miljöpartiet. We have the environmentalists, so they promote environment to take care of the environment. So all the places with trees, flowers. If it doesn't have trees, they plant more trees. So that's how it works here in Stockholm. So unlike in Manila area in Philippines, we in the city area like Makati, you never find a tree there except kanshi isa lang. I saw it in where there's a school there. I think what's the name of the school? I forgot the school. It's a private school. It's a private school, and the school has a big tree inside the school. And otherwise, it's wala na. Walang ano. Wala nang trees aside from that. And it's slippery. Slippery, guys. I took the wrong shoes. So I have to hold here. So mali yung shoes ko. Walang spike. Ito na. Kasi dumaan sa backside. Dumaan ako sa backside. Ay. Ito na. Hindi pa naman ako late. Buti na lang. Kasi slippery. I took the wrong shoes. So kita nyo guys, we have only 8 floors. So we have only 8 floors. Here in Sweden, the highest building is 8th floor. That's the highest, except the tower. The tower don't have. The tower they have special, like for example, they have a special business. So they have to have a permit for that one to have it higher, but otherwise that's the requirement. 8 floors only. I'm at the back side. White. Ito na guys. White. Ay. Non-stop snow. Yes, snowing all the time. And guys, until now, it's still snowing. So snow. Snow down in the snow. Let it snow. Hi guys, pauwi na after work and it's quite all around. So, ano guys, it's winter. Winter is here. Winter is here. So, and I took a wrong shoes for this weather, and it's really white all around. It wasn't snowing though this morning. So as you can see, my background, it's, what time is it now? Time check, it's 5:30, and it's really dark since it's winter. Remember, at 3 p.m. here in Sweden is really dark. So so there in Philippines we are very lucky to have the sun. And see you on next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and shout out to all new members. Bye.